What is up, everybody? Today, trade cap for May 8th, 2026, and took one trade on NVDA for around a $2,000 day. So, pretty good day today, right? And I'm pretty much going to be talking about in this video, right, what I saw today, what opportunities there were, and also what the market did. So, this will be a very, very informative video. So, let's get right into the video, right? So let me pull up the Discord alerts and pretty much show you guys the pre-market game plan, right? We always want to have a game plan going into the every single market open, right? We don't want to follow blindly. We have to see what levels we're sweeping. We're opening up below, within, below, right, above. We have to understand we're opening up above our levels, right? So very simple game plan, right? We have red polar news at 7:30, or we had, right, sweeping yesterday's highs. Now we're back in our previous range, so I expect to slow down indices unless QQ can reclaim YDH. So we can keep it on a video about 214 for an all-time highs play. Otherwise, we'll just be patient for a name to show strength and weakness, right? I literally made my plan, guys. That's my plan, and notice how like my plan, I execute the same name I had the plan out for. Like, it's pretty straightforward, right? But 8:35 main name showing the higher time frame. We have Apple just breaking a high of day, right? We have NVDA showing strong price action above pre-market high plus previous high level. We have Tesla showing strong price action above previous high level and pre-market high, and also showing higher time frame strength. Same with NVIDIA higher time frame strength, and same with Apple higher time frame strength. And same with AMD higher time frame strength. So understand how to read higher time frame because it's literally a cheat code, right? AMD and NVIDIA calls on watch. Both these names had very, very clean moves, right? Like, around I learned these names, by the way, like very good entries as well. Right, AMD ended up having an insane move. Just couldn't really get a move on or entry on this name, right? Kind of like the contracts moved actually a little bit too much for me when I tried entering his name, but look at this move. Very insane move on AMD, right? What? Yeah, that's insane. That's an insane move. And AMD NVIDIA calls on watch, right? NVIDIA calls right here. And so NVIDIA calls, right? Um 842, right? 216 for CP. If we get a strong high day candle closure, we'll see 217. And then we literally just had a strong high day candle closure and saw 217. So pretty straightforward, right? Like, I know what I'm doing. But 40% majority stop loss break even, 50%. And then QQ was just ripping. Like, what is this price action on QQ is insane. Like, absolutely insane. Um and NVIDIA should be flying, right? Honestly, right, NVIDIA kind of didn't show as much juice, right? For trailers, we ended up getting stopped on trailers underneath this order block, and that's pretty much the trade today. Like, nothing really too crazy, right? Literally just made my game plan, waited, and executed. That's literally all I did. Like, that's trading is not that complicated, guys. At the end of the day, like, you're literally just trading candles with up and down. You just have to be patient, wait for the A plus setup. Like, that's all you have to do in trading. That's all there is to do, right? But yeah, so now let's go into more to the charts. Let's go into more to the charts and kind of see exactly what I saw. So on NVIDIA, right, I have key level the higher time frame, right? So that's where I entered off of, right? I kind of saw if break above this key level higher time frame, reject, and then reclaim that level. So I understand, if you come back below, my stop loss actually be below this level, right? If you come back below this kind of 215 key level, then we're gonna be choppy. But at the same time, while we're looking at this level, right, QQ SPY also looked very, very good, right? QQ was reclaiming that higher day level, right? NVIDIA had the higher time frame momentum, so I ended up taking calls at that candle open. My stop loss below that 215, right? Very, very kind of straightforward trade, just simply based off this momentum slash trend, right? We had a very, very nice pullback into this EMA plus fair value gap, so clearly showing strong buyers keeping that uptrend, right? Very straightforward trade. AMD as well, right? Kind of similar thesis. Missed the entry at 838, right? But very, very clean move as well. Actually, a bigger move than NVIDIA, right? Tesla. Oh yeah, I didn't even talk about Tesla actually, right? Like, look, it doesn't say. There's no timestamps on these. That's crazy, but they should show timestamps on this. But yeah, no. Tesla's also good as well. I was also gonna take Tesla, but I don't like managing two positions at the same time, right? Managing two positions at the same time is kind of tricky because I'm trading on my phone, right? But Tesla, right? Call Tesla at 847, 848 area, right? Very, very nice move as well. Very clean, kind of pulling fair value gap plus order block, plus 423. Very, very easy setup on Tesla as well. Very easy money to be made today. Very good opportunities, right? It's just more so about getting good entries, right, and managing your risk. So Tesla, very nice trade. Right, NVIDIA, nice trade. All the names call that very, very nice moves. And yeah, that's pretty much a trade recap, right? Pretty straightforward, shorter recap today, but there's really nothing else to talk about. Wait. Oh yeah. So yesterday I didn't post a recap. I'm not even gonna talk about yesterday's recap, bro. I don't even know. I guess I'll show you yesterday's recap as well. Just yeah, no. The video just went straight up yesterday, so enter off this pullback this fair value gap, right? Just pretty straightforward. And yeah, I mean, if you guys are noticing something amongst my trading, right? I'm only taking 1 to 2 trades per day, 1 to 2 high quality trades per day with the momentum. That's all you need. If you're taking multiple trades per day, trading past 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whatever price slows down, like, you have a lot of learning to do. You have a lot of kind of trial and error to going on with your trading in your system, right? Good thing I've already gone through all that hellhole, right? Actually, it's been a long time since I've been, but like, Yeah, no, you guys have to lock in. Um, and yeah, I mean that's pretty much the trade recap, right? I think I went over everything. You guys can literally see my alerts. Like, guys, like I don't understand, guys. There's a difference between like calling out alerts and then calling out the breakdown before you even set the alert. Like I'm calling these out before I even take the names, right? I'm calling the game plan pre-market, NVDA, right? All the four names I called out, insane moves. All their tech names are trash moves, right? AMD calls on watch before I even take it, right? Tesla before that big move, right? Insane move, right? See, like even before you can actually kind of see before it even happened, right? And yeah, I mean, nothing really else to talk about. I don't know. Um, for sure, I'm for sure off too much caffeine today, so yeah. And then if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I mean, there's nothing really else to talk about. Pretty straightforward day. Um, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And actually, before I end the video, let me just talk about this month, right? What is this month looking like? So up $6,000, which is okay, right? 66% trade win percentage, 2.9% profit factor, and win percentage 100%. So that's actually really good, right? So profit factor, right, is very decent, right? 2.9 is actually pretty good, right? Normally I try to aim for profit factor above 3, but this is also pretty good, right? The reason why I feel the profit factor is so low is just because yesterday, or was it yesterday? No, on Wednesday, right, we had a bigger loss on Tesla because I did a mistake, guys, right? When you're trading on 0-day contracts and and you take two trades and your first trade's a win, and your second trade, you should be playing with profits, not your full size position. So I ended up kind of like not managing my risk properly on that Wednesday trade. So that's probably why the profit factor. That is why the profit factor is lower. But I mean, pretty straightforward month, right? Just taking high quality steps, right? You guys see, right? NVIDIA, Tesla, NVIDIA, Tesla, Tesla. I'm just rinsing the exact same names over and over again. They're showing strength every single day. That's all you have to do. Like, I don't know, bro. I feel like I'm dropping so much sauce, but yeah. I mean, that's pretty much trade recap and peace.